Hey guys, Callie Fab here, and today I want to show you my collective declutters from basically November, December, and January. I have quite a few things as I was going through my inventory and kind of looking at, and I'm like, you know what? I'm never going to wear this again, or I'm never going to wear it in the first place. And I decided that I really need to just start decluttering things that I'm not going to wear and either give them away to friends, sell them if they're new, you know, put them in giveaways, stuff like that. So here we go. I have quite a few things to get through, so I just want to get started. And yeah, I will leave my Mercari link down below. It is an app you have to download on your phone in order to buy and sell, but that is where I will be posting a lot of these items for sale. And yes, they will be super discounted and, you know, whatever. But yeah, I just really want to get some of this stuff out of my collection and show you what I have, because these containers have been sitting here for a while and I'm ready to just get them out. So let's go. I'm going to start with palettes. So the first palette I have is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2. I believe I got this in a BoxyCharm and I'm just not using it. I figured somebody else would get some use out of this. It is a very neutral palette. I really do like it, but I'm honestly just never going to get to this, considering I have so many other neutral palettes that I love, and it's just kind of silly to keep it around. And I have from Crown Pro. This came in a BoxyCharm as well, I think. And this is the, I don't know what palette this is because it does not say it on there, but it does have a bunch of warm tone neutral colors. I thought I was going to keep this and try it out, but I have all of these colors in other palettes already, and I just figured might as well give it away while it's basically brand new. I think I've only swatched a few colors. Okay, then I have from Laura Lee Los Angeles. This is the Party Animal palette. I'm pretty sure I got this in BoxyCharm as well, but it's just a 6 like full like color shades, and I used this a couple times to review it, and I don't use color that often. I've learned that about myself. I got kind of obsessed with color for like a hot minute, and then I was like, wait a minute, what am I doing? Because I'm never using these. So anyways, there's that. And then I have a BH Cosmetics palette. This is the Shan XO. It has 9 lipstick colors, which are right here. I've only used 1, 2, 3 of them. So, I mean, they're basically brand new. I've just basically tried them. And then it has 9 neutral shades here. I think I've only swatched this palette or used it once or twice, and I can't see a point of keeping this in my collection either, so I'm gonna get rid of that one. Then I have another palette from BoxyCharm. It is from Winky Lux. It is the Kitten palette. I'm just never reaching for this, and when I do want some of these colors, they're very neutral except for the pop of blue in the center. When I am reaching for these type of colors, I'm not reaching for this formula, so there's that. That one's only been swatched and I think used once or twice. And then I have the Real Her 2 shadow palette in Do Your Squats. I was panning this at some point last year and I really did like this palette, but the more I used other formulas, the less I liked this one. So I have so many neutral palettes, you guys. I don't need another one, and I'm going to declutter this one. Then I have one more warm toned neutral palette. It is the Studio Makeup On The Go eyeshadow palette in the shade Warm Up. And once again, I have all of these shades in 13 to 23 different palettes, I'm sure. I'm just making up random numbers right now, but seriously, I have all of these shades, you guys, and I can't keep it for one color, and that would be this center color here. It's like a orangey bronze. It's really beautiful, but honestly, I've only used this palette a couple times, and then I put it away and forgot I even had it, so no point of keeping this in my collection either. So I'm pretty sure that was all the palettes that I'm decluttering. Now, this is my big box. So this is the box of all of the other things I am decluttering, which is a ton. So I have a couple things. I have the Hourglass Vanish Seamless Finish Foundation Stick. I hated this, it was so thick. Just a little sample pack. I have the Got To Be Glued Styling Spiking Glue. Never will use that. Then a powder in the L'Oreal True Match in the shade Warm. Nope, Neutral Beige. So it's just a face powder I'm never going to use. Then I have the Cosmoholic. I don't know, I think this is a liquid lipstick. This is a lipstick from Maybelline. It is in the shade 420 Deepest Cherry. I really don't wear shades this deep, so done with that one. Then the CoverGirl powder in the shade Soft Honey. You guys saw that I was going to try to pan this at some point, but it's just too dark for me. And then I have a Bobbi Brown lipstick in the shade Brocade, and it's like a purple shade. I'm never gonna wear that. Basically brand new. I think I've only ever swatched it. A Ulta Beauty High Shine lip gloss, and it is in a purple shade. And then I have a Sephora lipstick. It is in this pink shade. I've tried to use it quite a few times. It doesn't give the exact shade on here, but that's okay. I'm just gonna declutter this. Then I have the Smith & Cult Book of Eyes Eye Quad, and I swatched this. This was from BoxyCharm. I just didn't like it. Then I have a Lorac eyeliner. This is the sparkly black one in the shade Black Pearl. We'll never use that. An e.l.f. eyeshadow and liner duo. It is the black liner with the smoky eyeshadow stick. I'm just, once again, never gonna use these. The House of Lashes in the Siren. I have the Baddington lashes in Silk Monroe 3D. Then I have two more eyeliners, one from CoverGirl, just a black liner, one from Ofra, it's like a green pencil liner. I'm never gonna use that. Then I have the Naked Cosmetics palette. This is the 3-shade color palette. Once again, never gonna use. BH Cosmetics Cream Luxe Lipstick in Toasted. The Eva NYC Zero Gravity Volume Powder. The Too Faced Melted Metal Liquefied Metallic Lipstick in Tutu. This is the Cover FX Glitter Drops in the shade Nova. The Wet n Wild Powder in Boozy Brunch. Couple more e.l.f. liner in Plum and Purple, and another CoverGirl liner in Midnight Blue. My thing's getting full, so I'm gonna dump it. Then a Real Her lipstick in So Sassy. It's a pink shade. Just, I don't like the formula on this one. I do like the color. CoverGirl lipstick in 240 Caramel Kiss. I hate the smell of these. That's why I have to get rid of it, but I love the color. Then the Revlon Age Defying Foundation in 20 Tender Beige. Just never gonna use it. Ulta Beauty Matte Lip Cream in a purple shade. Wet n Wild lipstick in Dark Wine. Maybelline lipstick in Raging Raisin. Very, very dark color here again. Then the Ulta Beauty High Shine Lip Gloss in a pinky peachy shade. And e.l.f. Lash Extending Mascara. BH Cosmetics Cream Luxe Lipstick in Tea Time. It's a very, very pink one. I think I've only swatched this one. Very pretty, but I have so many. The Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle lipstick in the shade, well, I guess that's a declutter now, in the shade Griselda. I feel like stuff like that happens all the time to me, on camera especially. On to the next, the e.l.f. Sun-Kissed Glow Bronzer in Warm Tan. It's just a darker color. Ulta Beauty Shimmer Lip Gloss in an orangey shimmery color. e.l.f. Brow and Shadow in the brown colors. Another BH Cosmetics Cream Luxe Lipstick in Foxy Gold. Too Faced lipstick in Mean Girls. Oh my god. Seriously? I just can't stop myself, can I? I just have to mess stuff up and get it all over me. Anyways, it's like a pinky shade. It's just not, I'm never gonna wear it. And the BH Cosmetics Luxe Lipstick in Red Truffle. The Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush in Apricot in the middle. I decided to declutter. ColourPop Ultra Satin Lipstick in the shade Naked Ladies. A little brush holder. The Urban Decay lipstick in the shade Big Bang, it's a pink one. Essence the Velvets in this blue shade Bahama Mama. the e.l.f. Duo in St. Lucia, just a bronzer and a blush duo. The Pond's Cold Cream Cleanser didn't work for me. The Fergie nail color in Glow Stick. And the Ulta Beauty Shimmer Lip Gloss in a pinky shimmer shade. And finally the Tarteist Pro lash adhesive. I didn't like this. It kind of irritated my eyes, so. Alright, so that was all of the items that I have here. And like I said, I will be posting on Mercari, so hopefully one of you guys, if you're interested in anything, can let me know. And I can make your own little bundle for you. But yeah, I'm just ready to get these things out of my collection and out of my site, so I don't have to think about them anymore, and sell them and get a little bit of money back on them, especially because most of them are literally brand new. So anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video and this quick declutter. And I don't have like a huge declutter coming up, but I kind of just declutter as I go and figure out what I like, what I don't like, stuff like that. So anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.